In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create a Zoom meeting from a Microsoft Bookings appointment using Power Automate and then send the join link by email. We'll be building a simple automated flow that connects Microsoft Bookings, Zoom, and Outlook. The goal is to save time and make sure every new appointment gets a meeting link without any manual setup. This is especially useful if you regularly schedule virtual sessions and want the process to happen instantly in the background. Start by signing in to Microsoft Power Automate. Once you're on the main dashboard, create a new automated cloud flow. This type of flow is designed to run automatically whenever a specific event happens, which is exactly what we need here. For the trigger, choose Microsoft Bookings and select the option for when an appointment is created. This means the flow will start every time a new booking is added in your bookings calendar. As you set this up, make sure you're connected to the correct Microsoft account and bookings environment so the flow listens to the right appointment data. Next, add a new action and search for Zoom. Choose the action to create a meeting. This is the step that will automatically generate a Zoom session for each new appointment. If prompted, connect your Zoom account. So Power Automate has permission to create meetings on your behalf. Now map the appointment details from Microsoft Bookings into the Zoom meeting fields. Use the dynamic content provided by the trigger to fill in important values such as the scheduled time and the attendee email. Mapping these fields correctly is important because it ensures the Zoom meeting matches the actual appointment details. Take a moment to review the selected values so the meeting is created at the right time and tied to the right participant information. After that, add one final action using Outlook to send an email. In that email, include the Zoom join link generated by the previous step. This is what allows the attendee to access the meeting without you needing to send the link manually. You can also make the email message clear and professional so the recipient immediately understands that this is their meeting access information. Once everything is configured, save the flow and test it by creating a sample appointment in Microsoft Bookings. If the setup is correct, Power Automate will trigger automatically. Create the Zoom meeting and send the join link through Outlook. That's it. You now have a streamlined workflow that turns every new booking into a ready-to-join online meeting.